Alright y'all, I'm back out here, and as you guys can see, I changed up the color of the hat. The reason I'm wearing a pink hat today is one, because I forgot the other hat at home, and then number two, because I just don't like wearing the color pink. I mean, I don't judge anyone else who wears it, you know, anyone can wear pink, but I just personally don't feel comfortable wearing pink for some reason. I don't know why, it's always been like that. You know, I see a lot of other people rock pink and it looks great, but I just don't really feel comfortable wearing pink, so that's why I'm doing it. So I'm gonna be hitting up this restaurant. It's called Josito Burger. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Anyway, I'm just walking over there now. I was actually there earlier and they all told me I could film, but I wanted to go grab a hat. Specifically, I mean, the pink hat just kind of happened. I didn't expect to get a pink hat, but when I was there and I saw it, thought, sweet, let's step the game up. So, push my comfort zone as much as I can. So, anyway, the people there agreed to let me film inside of the restaurant and everything. So I'm gonna go film the interaction of me getting the food and then actually eating the food. And then the reason I chose this specific place is because the burgers are actually amazing. I mean, not that I try burgers everywhere I go. I'm not gonna lie, I'm one of those guys who kind of goes and ends up at McDonald's. But I mean, in different countries. But I ended up trying this burger a little while ago. Ended up being amazing. I'd honestly go as far as saying that it was in the top 3 best burgers that I've ever had. One was in Ukraine, the other one was at this place, and I honestly don't know where the third one was, but gonna go walk over and check it out, and then I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna try and record as much of the interaction as possible, you know, all of the Turkish and everything. Should be pretty cool. Hopefully this all goes well. Also, I just realized I've high-key become a food review channel. I didn't really expect that. I mean, the polyglot grind is gonna, you know, it's gonna keep happening. I'm gonna keep practicing languages and everything, but I didn't really expect to kind of become a food review channel. It's just the first 2 restaurants that I went to, they all let me come in and record, which was cool. And there ends up being a lot of, you know, foreign languages and everything being spoken if they're letting me come inside. So I'm gonna keep doing it. So as you guys can see, I'm in a different part of the city, as I mentioned earlier. So the look of this part of the city is very different compared to where I normally am. The vibe is also pretty different here too. It seems a lot quieter here, or not quieter, still lots of cars and everything and a lot of people, but just a little bit less chaotic. Anyway, so this should be interesting, I hope, or maybe not. I mean, as you guys know, I'm doing this to push my comfort zone, so I cannot promise the best content, but I'm gonna try it anyway and just see where it goes. Alright y'all, I'm now approaching the place, Josito Burger, right here in front of me. Alright, so I'm gonna head inside and grab some food now. So this is the inside. Really cozy feel. And now I'm going to order. So this is the menu. As you guys can see, it looks as good as it tastes. Okay. So last time I think I got a cheeseburger, so I'm probably gonna go for the same thing again this time. Okay. Bugün sadece bir tane gourmet burger menü.
Tamam.
Okay.
İçecek ne olsun?
Evet. Ben bir tane fuz iced tea istiyorum lütfen.
Limon şeftali.
Limonlu lütfen.
Tamam. Burada yiyeceksin.
Evet.
Tamam.
Okay, so you guys have just ordered a burger and a lemonade. So I'm just gonna pay, then I'm gonna sit down and eat, and then I'll actually show the whole process of how everything looks. De kredietkaart er mee het premium. Okay. Try to check it out?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna sit down. I'm gonna try and prop this up so that I get a good view of everything. Try to check it out? The ketchup bar. Okay, try to check it out. Oh, try to check it out. Okay. Alright, y'all. So the food has arrived. I'm gonna try and get this in camera shot. This is what everything looks like. Looking good, just like last time. I'll try and if this all shows up. So I got the cheeseburger and I got the fries. I specifically remember the fries here being really, really good. Also some of the best fries I've ever had. So we got the burger, and then there's the iced tea, and then going to record the first bite as usual, and then I'm just gonna eat, and then I'll continue recording after I leave. So. The buns here are also on point, I gotta say. It's actually really good again, just like last time. And as you guys can see, it's cooked to perfection. So it's really good. And I'm gonna test out the fries again. I know they're gonna be good, but I'm gonna try them again anyway. Fantastic. Definitely passed the test. Alright, so I'm gonna finish eating and then I will return soon. Alright, y'all, so unfortunately I was unable to finish. It was amazing. I was not as hungry as I thought I was, so I'm gonna see if I can get the rest of it to go. I'm gonna eat it at home. So I was able to, this is the damage, I was able to get through most of it. It was fantastic, just like last time, but I don't know. I just was not as hungry as I thought. Anyway, so I'm gonna try and get a bag to take this home, and then I am going to try and find the bus, because I don't even know where the bus is to get back to where I'm staying. So anyway, I'm gonna do that, and then I'll be on my way. Pardon, bir poşet alabilir miyim lütfen? Bir poşet?
Evet.
Okay. Alright y'all, so I'm finished. I will be on my way. Çok teşekkürler. Görüşürüz. Güle güle. Alright. So, here we go again. Name of the food. Okay. So everything was fantastic as usual. I feel alive again. I love doing this because absolutely terrifies me. It absolutely terrifies me. Right before I started filming at the beginning, my hands were shaking. I was absolutely terrified. But the thing is, for anyone who wants to do this, I assure you it gets easier as you go. The very first time I went out and tried this, I was terrified. I almost didn't go. Now, I'm honestly still terrified, but I'm not as terrified as I was before. And it's, I don't know, it honestly gets easier and easier every time. So if any of you guys are wanting to do something like this, just get out there and do it. Because, I mean, it's gonna seem scary at first, but then after you do it once or twice, it's honestly not that bad. I find with things like this, I'm scared because of what I think might go wrong. But then once I actually get out there and start filming or start talking or recording or speaking the language or whatever the thing is, or whatever it is that scares me, I normally end up feeling better. So yeah, anyway, the food's done. I'm heading back, hopefully before it gets too dark. I also don't have I still don't have any internet, so it's going to be, you know, very interesting finding the bus, but I will do my best. Anyway, I'm going to cut this for now, and I'm going to try and make more videos soon, if I can find some more places that are cool with me recording in them. And yeah, if this goes well, and I can find some people who are down to just talk. You know, like maybe some street interviews or something like that. I might try and do that. But for now, it's probably just going to be food. But anyway, we'll see what happens. But I'm going to cut this here for now, so I'll see y'all next time. And thanks for watching if you've gotten this far.